Hello, hi guys. Thanks for joining our annual investors call. This is a very important call, and you're welcome to join. Hopefully, you had an amazing year. This is our first annual AGM ICS NASDAQ Market Investor Call. So here we will cover the performance of our calls over the year 2025 to 2026. Thanks to our founding members who have made it possible. We have worked really hard over the year, and you have seen how we have been communicating every call, how we have been communicating every ups and downs of the market, what's going on, news. And today I think is the time to look at the yearly performance. Was it good? Was it bad? How was your experience? Based on the facts we have collected, based on the figures we have recorded, and I hope you will like it. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's start from our model portfolio. So remember when I used to talk about our model portfolio, actually all of us were trying to maintain a model portfolio which we are using a paper trading feature in our TradingView account. And whatever calls we were giving, we were actually taking that in that paper trading section. So over the time, we realized that this tool was kind of buggy, so we didn't actively maintain it. But still, we can see the results here, and you can see that there is a realized profit where we were, selling stocks, securing profits, using the capital to buy new calls. And doing that, we realized a profit where if you look at it, our starting account balance was 100K, and then it reached to 131K. Now there was a certain confusion whether it's taking margin calls or not. So plus it was kind of buggy, but we know that we made around 31%, 32% of profit, positive profit in this model portfolio. Moving forward, we also maintained model portfolio in our group focus account. So here you can see the blue line is representing ICS holdings or ICS calls. And at the end of the year, the entire year, you can see the total return is around 58.71% upside. And you can compare it with the NASDAQ 100, you can compare it with S&P 500, and you can compare it with Dow Jones Industrial Standards or Index. So Alhamdulillah, we have done very well based on our calls here. Moving on to the next slide. These are our calls which are being held in Guru Focus. We have the timestamps here as well. We have the current pricing. All of it is already shared. You can go into Discord. You can track the times. You can track the call. Everything is there in Discord based on the timelines. You can check USA Premium Alerts channel. Now moving on, we have this is an example where we have engaged with all of you on Discord, like how we keep up with the news, how we try to guide you when there are downturns, when there are upsides coming up, or we feel that there are difficult times coming ahead. So we will show you, there are some examples from recent times where we alerted you guys that have some percentage of your portfolio in cash to get ready for buying or dip buying. So if you look at this call, investor call, remember detailed video on market crash. Yes, so this one, 11th March, we alerted to stay on higher cash percentage. You can see on 11th of March, we alerted you when there was a war going on. And then on 13th of April, we also alerted on staying on heavy cash, but start doing some sort of buying or deploying the cash. And there is an alert on deploying the cash as well, where we can see deploy previously held cash step by step, gold and silver buying. So we were actually engaging with you to guide you that start using that cash which you were holding and start buying the calls or start buying the tickers which we have already mentioned. Okay, so until now, there was performance of the calls. There was some engagement on the Discord. Now